Pinnacle Hardware is a fast-growing hardware distributor. We import home hardware from overseas and mainly selling to Bunnings. We actually ship out close to $1 million a day, so a week would be closer to 4 to 5 million. IT infrastructure is everything that drive our business on the day-to-day basis.
Actually, we have facilities across the country, including Brisbane, Melbourne, and Perth. We heavily rely on the IT system to connect teams, and also we like the IT system to have data exchange with our key client Bunnings to ensure we could receive the order correctly and we could pick up the order and send out the invoice to our client correctly. In this case, we have to ensure our IT system must be more like 365 days and then 24 hours every day. It must be less than 1% downtime. It's very, very crucial to us.
Yeah, we had an incident once where there was a hardware failure at the data center, and the previous IT provider could not actually resolve it.
The whole system was brought down, and it's more like we were in a blind, totally blacked out for a whole week. We could not do anything. So thousands of phone calls from Bunnings store, from buyer, but unfortunately we could not do anything.
They actually do a temp fix, I think, but they said, temp fix will not last long, and obviously we need to actually urgently migrate out of that data center ASAP. So there has been a panic, migration out of that data center.
easyIT was introduced by one of its clients. They were in trouble as well. So I got a contact with the director and I asked him, how did you resolve your issue? Then they say that they were in the process with easyIT to transfer their system from previous vendor to easyIT. That's how I learned easyIT. Then of course, then I start to contact Jeremy, which is easyIT's managing director. Then he started to help us to transfer our system to easyIT's selected platform, and we resumed the operation within 1 week. I think it's quite quick.
There has been much better. 7 years, there was not once that the IT has been down for more than maybe an hour or two. It's more to do with the internet failure from external from the external party. But even in that case, Jeremy will try to actually use the 4G backup, 5G backup to get us going as soon as possible. So there never be the downtime more than 1 or 2 hours with easyIT.
easyIT provide up-to-date information to us. I think that's the key things we value our service provider. So we are not afraid of the issues, but we need our partner closely follow the issue and we resolve it in the end.
Based on our experience with them over the last 7 years, we can definitely recommend easyIT to other businesses because, we've been happy with easyIT and they prove, that they can, get things done when we need it to. That's the main thing.
Yeah. So to us, we would like to have a hassle-free. It's better we do nothing and the service provider could do anything. We just tell them what I want. Then they provide the solution and implement it for us. I feel like easyIT really make the IT maintenance easy and efficient.